Good morning, everybody. I want to show you what I did today on the Sambar TT. I want to thank Conscious Flamingo 27 for helping me out with the figuring out which wire goes where. But I'm going to flip this around and show you exactly what I did. So there is a wire that's behind your ignition that goes to the your door is open, the key is in alarm, which does not work for the light. So if you take this all apart, and you see we've taken the plate off here, everything completely off, trying to get where I can see what's going on. And then there's this clip right here, this little two-piece clip, and focus, there we go. So this little two-piece clip has a white wire, as you can see right here, and it has another wire with a stripe. Well, that wire with the stripe is the one we need to connect to. And as you can see here, I've tapped in with a bullet tap or a Posi-Tap, which I have used for a lot of time, a lot of use with motorcycles, because vibrations and stuff, it's not going to cut through the wire and disconnect it. So then I ran that wire up over this, through here, and the only way that I can find, there's like a little grommet right there, you can see that I'm pointing at, that I just pulled out, put the wire through that, and that's for adjusting the headlights. So then you come over here, I've got it all apart still, and as you can see, I've got the wire coming out here, and it's hooked into this red wire here, same with the Posi-Tap. And then when we turn the lights on, and I'm going to do that now, as you can see, there's no key in there. Turn the lights on. Yay! Now we have, you've left your lights on. Great. And I'm just going to button that up, and then I'll show you what it looks like all buttoned up. You won't see anything. Now that it's all buttoned up, let's give it a test. We've put everything back together. And as you can see, I have the key right here. Let's just turn the light on. No alarm. Let's make sure the light is on. It is on. And let's open the door. Yay! Now let's just put the key in. And that's like normal. Everything's working great. The next thing I have to work on is over here. So I found that you take this off to access your brake cylinder, and if you look in here, that little plug right there has a positive tap that only works when the ignition is on, accessory tap, which I could probably use to plug my third brake light in, and well, it's not a third brake light anymore, it's a flasher. Let's turn this on so you see it. Right now, it needs to have the parking brake on, but I'll figure a way around that eventually. And the next project is that, and currently working on compression test for the AC. More to come. Thank you for tuning in.